Imagine your smartwatch just got a major upgrade, one that completely transforms how you interact with it. Well, that's exactly what Samsung is delivering today. The Galaxy Watch 6 and Watch 6 Classic are now receiving the brand new One UI 8 watch update, built on Google's latest Wear OS 6. This update isn't just a small tweak, it's a substantial overhaul designed to bring you a smoother, smarter, and more intuitive user experience. And for those who've been waiting, the rollout has officially begun in South Korea, with more regions joining the party soon. If you're wondering how to get it, here's the quick path. Open your wearable app, head to Watch Settings, then select Watch Software Update, and finally tap Download and Install. Easy. And trust us, this is one update worth downloading. So what exactly does One UI 8 Watch bring to your wrist? First up, a redesigned user interface that feels fresh, clean, and more responsive than ever before. Navigating through apps and notifications is now more fluid, putting important info right where you need it. But it's not just about looks. This update unlocks new features, from customizable watch faces to smarter health tracking and enhanced app support. It's all about making your Galaxy Watch 6 more personal and powerful. This rollout follows Samsung's earlier One UI 8 watch update for the Galaxy Watch 7 and Watch Ultra back in July. It also aligns with the launch of the Galaxy Watch 8 series, which came with One UI 8 watch right out of the box. Whether you're a longtime Samsung smartwatch user or just stepping into the ecosystem, the One UI 8 watch update promises a smarter, smoother, and more engaging wearable experience. Keep an eye out for your update notification and make sure to explore all the new features once it arrives. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more tech updates coming your way.